Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Honda Pilot Touring. This has all-wheel drive. And that engine's running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. And if any of these LEDs appear to be flickering, that's a refresh rate of my camera. It is not. Do that to the human eye, but you see that it does have fog lights up front and alloy wheels. This one also has a sunroof and an entertainment package with a drop down LCD screen. In fact, there it is right there. Black leather interior, power liftgate. Okay, see the second row has captain's chairs, and they are heated as you see here, and there are your docking stations for your headphones, and you also have a 115 volt 150 watt 3-prong outlet there. And there's your back seat, so you see that it does seat 7, and there's your drop down LCD screen, and then also you have the retractable window shades, and you do have a tint that goes all the way around. 2 driver presets, and then here's your VIN right here, and I will upload some still photos as well, so I know we'll go through this fairly quickly. Down here you've got your parking sensors, your econ, you have your paddle shifters, and then as you come up here you see that it only has 4,853 miles on this vehicle. And then you got your push to talk, your trip computer toggles, stereo controls, and your cruise control, push button start. As you come over here, I'm just going to turn this up a little bit so we can. That sounds good. Turn it back down so you can hear me better. All right, and you see that it does have heated front seats as well. Here's your disc drive right here, and 2 power outlets. This one has a USB to where you can feed into the stereo. Come down here, you got your key fob, and it does have a push button remote start. Cup holders, shifter, and 2 additional power outlets down in here. Okay. As you come up, you can jump to your stereo, and you can see that you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Your navigation is powered by Garmin, which is my favorite. And then there's your rear entertainment, and your auxiliary input, USB also, and your Honda Link, and your cabin talk, so that you can talk to people even if they have their headphones on, which is super nice. Or you can just speak on the speakers so that you don't have to yell at everyone back there. And then it also has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay and hotspot. So go ahead and bounce that on back home. Okay. All right, and in order to see the backup camera, there's your backup camera. It's in HD. Come on up here, and you've got your map reading lights, and your sunglasses holder also doubles as a conversation mirror so you can see people back in there. And you have your sunroof, and that about wraps it up for this Honda on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. Had some damage on the front quarter panel, which the airbags deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.